Good morning to all of you. I am Madhubala from class 9 in Himalaya Public High School. Today is conversation class, so I want to say something about balance in nature. There are many plants and animals live in ecosystem. They are directly or indirectly linked with each other because they obtain both food shelter from each other. Balance in nature and balance relationship of the plants, animals and the other animals to make a nature community. It is important to maintain a natural balance in nature. We know that natural balance is very important for our life. When we should not do anything for our nature, when our balance in nature is destroyed. There are many causes of balance in nature, such as deforestation, hunting of animals, increasing the of populations, and etc. First of all, I explain you deforestation. People cutting the tree on purpose, homes and business, anything. He clears jungles. You know that. So you directly or indirectly depends on plants. Plants is very important for our life. Plants give oxygen, fruits. Oats and many things give. So trees are very important for our life and increase day to day now increasing of population. When population increase, our jungle is clears and cutting down the tree because people leave a home, so he need to land, so he cutting the tree. So I tell you, please grow more and more tree. When you not grow more and more tree, our balance in nature is destroyed. When our balance in nature destroy, our life will not exist on earth. Day to day, you know that our climate weather is day to day very hot and very no very hard day to day, not come several like seasons come in on time. So it is due to not balance in nature. You know the ecosystem. They are endangered animals because he hunted. Many people hunted animals on purpose. She use her skins and bones. There are many used to needs medicine and other things. So he hunted animals. Many regions animals endangered. Cutting off tree and clears jungles. When you clear jungle, where animals live. When animals live in jungles, when you cut down trees, so animals live in town, and people he hunted animals. Thank you so.
Raise your hand to ask question.
What we will do to maintain the balance in nature?
There are many things to maintain the balance in nature. First of all, grow more and more tree and not hunted of animals, because when you cutting down tree, our balance in nature destroy, and hunted of animals, our ecosystem is not properly work. There are many types of animals live in a particular area is known as
What do you understand balance in nature?
I understand in my thinking our There are many plants and animals live in ecosystem, or they are directly or indirectly depends on be all plants. So it is
Isha.
How plants and animals depend on human beings for
because human beings please remains ask question.
how plants and animals depend on us human beings and why we depend on animals and plants.
Because we all depends directly or indirectly plants and animals depends we all are food chains. We depends on each other. One depends in one, so all depends in plants and animals.
Yeah.
How can plants and animals form a communist nature?
Because because animals and plants is very important for our lives, because when animals die and endangered, so you know that many animals eats plants, and many cactus means many dangerous plants eat.
Anand, why
One
did
second.
cut the tree?
He's on purpose.
Yes.
So
Okay, you can answer in a short way.
there are many plants animals live in ecosystem. They are directly or indirectly depends on plants animals. So
What is the difference between nature and environment?
What is the difference between
How we maintain the nature and environment?
one by one?
environment. There are many difference nature. Environment. You know that environment day to day pollute. So you day to day pollutes, and nature destroy for our cutting down of tree and hunters of animals.
Yeah.
Because it is very important for balance in nature and human beings.
Why are you doing this topic? Why have you choose this topic?
I explain and I understand every person we should protect our environments, nature, and not cutting down tree and not hunted animals. So
Yes. Yes, sir.
What are the advantages for people of hunted animals?
One by one.
so please ask remain question.
What are the advantages for people of hunted animals?
People are hunting animals. Why they are doing so?
Because he on purpose he sell her skin, bones, and made of many things. So hunted animals.
How can we balance the nature?
Not cutting the tree, not hunted animals, and not pollute our environments.
Okay, Raj. Why are you not should cut down? Why you shouldn't cut the tree? Why we shouldn't cut the tree?
Because tree are very important for our life, because he gives many things such as foods, clothes, and many things.
Going to this go. Go to office. Yes, morning.
What is the main thing of balance in nature?
Plants and animals, maybe.
Yes, sir.
Nowadays, all people using water more and more, and we know that water is also a natural resource. So can we use water more and more? So it is also affect the balance in nature.
Yes, yes, effect of nature, because one day one day come, our water is destroyed.
No. Exhausted.
One day come, our water is exhausted, so people die thirsty.
Suppose there is no tree in our earth. We already know that without tree we cannot survive on earth. So in that situation, what you do?
Me- mm, be- I tell every person he grow more and more tree and not sorry.
What is the main cause of deforestation?
People deforestation for on purpose, such a tree is been cutting tree and he sold on market and he came money.
Sir, what is the meaning of this?
Tolerate.
What is the advantage of tree?
There are many advantages of tree. A tree gives fruits, woods, and many things.
Sir,
If we do not maintain the balance of nature, to what causes we tolerate?
So,
What we have to bear, what we have to put up with, what we have to tolerate. Tolerate means if I am beating you, you are just making yourself to be tolerable. Means if I am beating you, you are just you are not doing anything against me, but you are just being beaten. You can say the meaning of tolerating. So she is asking. Repeat the question.
If we do not maintain the balance of nature, to what causes we
Then what?
then what causes we tolerate? Means
What we have to
do
face,
yes,
not
this
that.
is problem.
What we have to face, right on face, not on.
Can I ask something?
1 minute.
please ask 1 second question.
Okay, we are doing that much damage to our nature. So, if we will do that much damage to our nature, what we will have to face? What will be its result?
We all face many things. And one day comes in earth is destroy. Not the people just live in earth because he not survive, because he not properly meet everything, so it is needs.
Yes. Sir, if we want to,
You have to ask. Yes.
sir, I actually that so one second.
No. Yes. Yes. Ask.
what is the advantage of balance of nature in our life?
There are many advances balance in nature in our life. When balance in nature in our lives, so our lives survive easily.
Isha.
What is the difference between deforestation and afforestation?
There are many differences. Afforestation means people grow more and more tree, and deforestation means people cutting down tree for on purpose.
Yes. Raise your hand. Any question? No question.